Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. In today's video, we are diving into the world of date night outfits. Whether you are planning a romantic dinner, a casual movie night, or a fun evening out on the town, having the perfect outfit can make all the differences. The right ensemble not only boosts your confidence but also sets the tone for the evening. Let's explore the variety of date night looks that caters to different styles, moods, and settings. Let's start with a timeless favorite, the little black dress. The little LBD is a staple in every woman's wardrobe, and for a good reason. It's versatile, elegant, and effortlessly chic. For a date night, you can't go wrong with a fitted black dress that highlights your silhouette. Opt for one with interesting details like lace ruffles or an off the shoulder neckline to add a touch of romance. Pair it with classic black pumps, a clutch, and some statement jewelry for a look that's both sophisticated and alluring. Floral dresses are perfect for a date night, especially if you're aiming for a soft romantic vibe. Choose a dress with a flattering cut such as A-line or wrap style in a delicate floral print. Soft flowing fabrics like chiffon silk add a dreamy quality to your look. Complement your floral dress with strappy sandals, a delicate necklace, and a cute handbag. This outfit is perfect for dinner date or a stroll through the park. For a modern and stylish alternative to a dress, consider a jumpsuit. Jumpsuits are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. For a sophisticated date night look, opt for a sleek tailored jumpsuit in a solid color like navy, burgundy, or emerald green. Pair it with high heels, bold earrings, and a clutch for an ensemble that exudes confidence and elegance. If your date night plans are more laid back, you can't go wrong with a classic jeans and blouse combo. Choose a pair of well fitted dark wash jeans and pair them with a chic blouse or a stylish top. Off the shoulder top, silky blouses, or even the fitted turtleneck can elevate your casual look. Finish off with ankle boots or stylish flats and accessorize with a statement belt and a crossbody bag for a casual yet polished outfit. Maxi dresses are perfect for creating a dramatic, elegant look. Choose a maxi dress in a rich color or a bold print for a date night. Look for details like a high slit, a plunging neckline, or an open back to add a touch of allure. Pair your maxi dress with strappy heels, bold jewelry, and a clutch to complete a glamorous ensemble. This outfit is ideal for a fancy dinner or a night out dancing. For a look that's both classy and sexy, consider pairing a pencil skirt with a stylish blouse. A high waisted pencil skirt in a neutral color like black, grey, or beige can be incredibly flattering. Pair it with a blouse that has interesting details like bow, ruffles, or lace. Tuck in the blouse to accentuate your waist and pair of pointed toe heels for a polished finish. This outfit is perfect for a dinner date or a night at the theater. Midi dresses strike the perfect balance between the casual and formal. Choose a midi dress in a trendy pattern or bold color for your date night. Look for styles with unique details like puff sleeves, a wrap design, or a belted waist. Pair your midi dress with heel sandals, a statement necklace, and a clutch. This look is great for a variety of date night activities from dinner to a gallery opening. For a date night with a bit of edge, consider incorporating a leather jacket into your outfit. Start with a simple base like a fitted dress or a pair of skinny jeans and a sleek top. Add a leather jacket for a touch of cool. Complete the look with ankle boots or heeled booties and some bold accessories like a chunky necklace or statement earrings. This outfit is perfect for a content or a night out at a trendy bar. Lace is inherently romantic and adds a touch of femininity to any outfit. Look for dresses or tops with lace detailing for your date night ensemble. A lace dress in a soft pastel or a rich jewel tone can be both elegant and alluring. Pair it with nude or metallic heels, delicate jewelry, and a clutch for a complete look. No matter what your plans are, having the perfect date night outfit can make the evening even more special. From classic little bag dresses to playful skater dresses, there is an outfit for every style and occasion. Remember to choose pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and trends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more fashion tips and inspiration. Bye for now.